Welcome to me, bitches. Let's do outfit of the day because you look so darn cute. Show your little, it's a little chilly here at the beach this morning. So let's show your little, you don't want to show your shirt? You show your shirt, ready? Oh my goodness. How cute. So, oh yeah, I'm a rockin'. I look too cool. You like your outfit, bud? Look at these little jean shorts. Look at them with the little toes. And then the little smiles.
And he's peeing. Oh, he's taking a dumper. Better go pick that up.
His element.
And he's off to the races.
He's like thinking of a way to get down into the water already.
No, not yet.
Go in, jump.
How is he gonna get up, babe?
He's not. He doesn't need to get up. He's a fish.
He's a water cheetah. And we're off. This is a little dirty water, but it's high tide. Hey, bub.
I know, that's what I was thinking. I think he can jump in and you can pull him up by his collar. Look at him, he wants to go inside that.
Go.
Good job, bud. Oh no. The flailing monster. He's like, no, Dad, there's more pine cones. I must go receive them.
Go get the other one. Cam. Go get the other one.
Look at these baby toes. All dressed. We're ready for the beach. The only problem is someone won't wake ye. Why won't you wake ye for the beach? I unwrapped him. I changed his diaper. I put on his swimming trunks, even though he won't really be getting in the water. And he slept through it all. And he still won't wake ye, and we're trying to go show him the ocean. Come on, Buggy. Don't you want to go see the ocean? Yeah. Say good morning. Or should I say good afternoon? Oh my goodness. Hi. Hi. You gonna wakey? Or you gonna go back night-night? Stretchy. You can't decide. Maybe Dad can help wake you up. I swear it's your mini-me.
Oh, come on. Let's go to the beach.
Now you know how I feel when I try to wake you up.
This is cute as heck. You think I'm cute?
I don't know, it's cute at first. I don't know about now. We're gonna have to carry you there then. Did you get the goods on it is the only question. Oh, Dallas. What, you want to be on the vlog? You want to be on the vlog? You want to be on the vlog? Say hi, then.
Remember when we came last year? This building wasn't here.
Say hi, then. Yeah. Say hello, Ezekiel. Unfortunately, you can't have crabs this time. Maybe when you have a little bit of teeth.
We didn't record dinner.
You're recording right now? I thought you were taking a picture.
Tell the people what you had for dinner.
Fish.
Seafood.
No. 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 You look like a dude. You're so attractive. That hair. So you. I feel like there's just so much you can do with it. Like, for instance, cornrows or like...
Yeah, cornrows? What is this? Haircut?
Would be bangs. I feel like bangs could be your look.
Thank goodness I'm getting my haircut tomorrow.
You know, like how like when girls go to the salon and they're like, give me this good side bang. You guys, it's not today. Look at that. This is what I deal with. And you still have boogers in your nose.